Hello, you're watching Edge of Mobiles. Today I wanna refurbish Nokia C2-06. So you see it states here that's working. It's another color, it's violet color. I have the genuine graphite color. You can also watch this review in another video. And actually I'm not a big fan of C series Nokia, but I have this full housing, so I decided to reassemble this phone. I have it done before, haven't watched any videos for it, so maybe let us try to do it together. Maybe it will be helpful in order not to do mistakes. So first of all, the things I want to put aside. Now let us move it away. So we see here screws. So when we see these screws, we have to take them away. I hope that it's the true side, but seems we needed another size. This one. So I see now 4 screws here. 2, 3, and 4. So, wow, it opens. It opens, but I think that there should be flex cable. Yeah, I see it. So now I have to understand how to and what to take away. Okay, maybe let us try it this way. So I'm sure that we can take away this part or take away flex cable. Actually, I don't see the way of how we can take it away. So maybe let us close it in order not to damage the flex cable and to remove some more screws. For example, these two. As I see on the other cover, so maybe the screws only here. Hope that this is so. So nothing happens, and I see that there are some more screws over there. So okay, now we have to find a way to take the stuff out. Okay, very carefully I'll try to remove the keypad. The keypad is removed, so now maybe I can take away the mainboard. Yeah, I took away the mainboard, took away the flex cable. So here's our mainboard. It looks not very bad. With wet wipes, let's clean it a little bit. Okay, so now let us compare if all the stuff is here. So yeah, seems everything's okay. Everything's okay here, so let us put it inside. Let us try to understand what to do here. So no more screws, yeah? Seems that this stuff is fixed, but I don't know how. So I know that this thing, maybe if I take it away, it will help me, but actually I'm not sure. So so here vertex grooves, I remove them. So okay, let us look here. So how can we get fixed? So it's fixed here. So if we have logic, we should try to open it from this side. Okay, let us do it. Something. No, it's okay, but maybe from this side. Yeah, it looks much better. Oh, cool. So let us compare here. Everything's the same. Okay. So the problem is that I have a flex cable here, and I want to replace it. Yeah, and actually maybe that can be the biggest problem that I have faced before. So it's actually the problem is not so big, but you have to do things that actually you're not very fond of. So yeah, I know that I've broken this LCD, but shit happens. So when we see the flex cable here, so what we need now is to take away this flex and put it to its new home. Yeah, sometimes it can be easy, sometimes not very easy. So we can throw it away. It's actually ruined. So also we can use the hair dryer, but seems that I'll cope it without it. See, so and some tension here. Okay, so it's removed. Hope that it's working. Okay, so let us put it where it has to be. Seems that I succeed with it. Hope that it's working. So what we need? We need to put LCD here. So the only thing I don't want to do, I don't want to remove these adhesives, as I'm not sure that the flex will work after repairment. So I'll just put the LCD as is. Maybe once I'll do it better. Maybe the next generations will open this phone and say, oh my god, why this guy didn't use adhesive? This can be too. So it's already installed. Just let's watch here. Maybe I should put it a little bit down. I just don't like the way that flex is here, but okay, maybe it's okay. Now let us be sure. And let us put, let us connect this flex somewhere here. I hope they do it from the right position. Yeah. So, success now. Maybe let us check if all the stuff is working. Because I'm not sure. So nothing happens. But maybe it's okay. Oh shit, what was that? I don't like this noise. Maybe we have forgotten something. Okay, let us use this frame. Or not. So, okay, let us check again. So our flex cable is connected here. So battery is here. So even this way, see, that should work. Yeah, it's working. Nice. So anyway, I'm not sure that yeah, touch screen is not, so I'm not sure that this flex will be working for a long time. So as I say, I'll repeat that I don't want to remove the LCD adhesive. So now maybe let us close this stuff. So this we need to remove this stuff. Let us put it here. So one more thing is to remove from here. Oh, have you seen? Actually two foils. One and one more. And the problem is that occasionally it goes back, and now okay, so now I need to remove it. Okay, let us do it this way. Let us see it, put it here. here and there. So now let us remove this foil and let us try to close the stuff. Well, actually, it looks like it's almost assembled, but not full, yes? Or is it okay? So maybe it's okay. Maybe it's okay. We'll see the final result. Maybe it will be good. So these small screws. Okay, so things are good now. Let us put the keypad. If I was right that so okay, now let us assemble the rest. If anyone had used this phone, please write in comments your impressions. As I say that C series is not my hobby. That is why I'm not interested in them at all. So I think that I have lost one screw. So another phone today that needs one more screw. Not here. Okay. So now let us check again. Well, what I don't like is one thing that I seem that here much more play than there. Or is it okay? I even don't know. Or is it the problem of my slider? So yes, it's working. So as I have lost one screw, I will just put this thing without removing the adhesives. I think it's the best solution that can be made here at this moment. Nothing better. Or maybe I will find this screw on the table. No. So then let us hide this stuff here. try to understand how to put this thing. Okay, let us turn it off. Turn it off. So, okay, I see. So, front. Also don't want to remove it. So now front is here. Fuck, I don't know how to... put it here. So I see the fixator, but how does it fix? No idea at all. Oh. I see. So the keypad seems to be the last thing that should be installed here. Well, here everything's okay. Here not. Okay, let us remove the keypad. Oh, I can't remove the keypad, yeah? I can't remove the keypad. But I want to find the way to put this in here. So, or maybe... but I don't think it's a good idea, actually. Okay, let us try to remove these screws. Actually, I have one. So then let us take away the keypad. Hope that is still possible. But now I have big problem with this corner. With this corner. It's okay. Maybe it will be easier now. Yeah. Now things are easier. I hope that I haven't broken this stuff. Yeah. Now let us put the keypad. Let us put our screw back. Unfortunately, the only one. No, it doesn't switch on. I don't know why. Maybe let us try this way. Like, I honestly say I don't feel that this button is pressing. Maybe the problem is that that was blocked at the moment. That this stuff was blocked. It doesn't switch on. Okay, maybe I have another battery. That one is too fat. Yeah! I don't know what's the matter. I just don't know what the matter. Everything is working. So let it be a project. My goal was just to reassemble it. I reassemble it. To make it perfect working, it's just another story. So today we were with my friend Hisoko, the reductive Japanese board. Assembled Nokia C2-06 in graphite color. Welcome back to Edge of Mobiles. See you.